Good morning, friends. How are you today? It's so good to see you once again. I hope you're having a great morning so far. Let's take a look at our morning message. Today is 5/28/20. Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, May 28th. Yes, May is coming to a close. Just 3 more days and May will be over. Then we will be into the month of what? Waiting for you. That's right, June. We will learn about affixes today, and we will also get some practice. Now I'm going to underlearn that. Did I say underlearn? I'm going to underline that word here. There we go. Affixes. Affixes. You may not have heard that word before, but you might have heard prefix and you might have heard suffix. We'll go over those in a bit. In math, we'll learn about three-dimensional objects, or 3D is another short way of saying three-dimensional objects. So we know that something like this is a flat object, that's two-dimensional, it's flat. Okay, and then something like this would be three-dimensional, right? It's not just flat, it has some shape to it, it has, some different, kind of height to it when you look at it this way. But you could look at it from every angle and it'll look a little different. That's a three-dimensional object. A two-dimensional object, 2D, is flat. All right, so let's go ahead to our schedule. Since today is Thursday, we do some special things on Thursday. Morning meeting, language arts, outside time, math, lunch, read aloud, art. It is an art day, so make sure you're doing your artwork that Miss Andrea sent you, and of course woods play. So hopefully the weather forecast holds up and we are able to go outside and do woods play today. But you see today, oh no, yes, there is a chance of some rain. So they said variable cloudiness, and variable cloudiness means sometimes it may be cloudy, sometimes it's not. That's what variable means. Sometimes it's this and the other times it's that. So variable cloudiness with a chance of rain. I guess here's the good news, if there is good news. High of about 81 degrees, so it's going to be a really warm day. All right, let's take a look at our words of the week. Ready? Only, short, thought, together, use, warm. And I'm going to use each of these in a sentence. Ready? I hope this isn't the only time you're going to get to see Mr. Scott on a video today. I hope not. When I was younger, I was short, but now I am tall. Did you see what I did there? Not only did I use that in a sentence, but I also used an antonym of short and tall. Two words that are opposite words in that sentence. I'm so clever. Like a fox, right? Foxes are clever, right? No, you know what? I've just been studying. I'm not clever. I've been studying and I know what an antonym is. Thought. I thought this was going to be a fun morning meeting. Okay, so that would be how you use thought. Together. I'm so glad we can be in first grade together. Oh, yes. It's been fun. That word is use. I'm going to use my pointer to point at the camera. And the last word is warm. Today is a warm day compared to yesterday, which was a cold day. Oh, I did it again. I did affixes, warm and cold. So we're having a lot of fun. This is great. So that was, did I say affixes? I meant to say antonym. That was an antonym, warm and cold. I'm making a lot of mistakes today, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. All right, so we're going to head on over to our days that we've been at school. And since yesterday was 166, we know that today is 160. Yeah, that's right. 167. Here we go. 167. And that would make this pretty close to the end of the year as far as the days go here. Pretty close. And then today, did we say is May 28th? Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and write a 28 there. 2, 8. I picked a nice light green color that we haven't used in a while. And then we're going to go to 29, 30, and then go into the next line. Saturday is going to be the 31st. So the first day of June is going to be on Monday. And that also happens to be my daughter's birthday. So happy birthday, Maya. But it's not her birthday yet, so we'll hold off on that until Monday. All right, so that's about it. We're going to read a knock-knock joke. I have a funny one here for you. And I hope I'm not repeating any of these. I just hope not, because I'm randomly just open up the book. And then I find one that I think is funny. Knock, knock. Tennis. Tennis just before 11. So I don't know anybody who would have the name Tennis, but that is the name they're giving us, and it's almost like 10 is right before 11, right? See how you have to say it fast? If you try to say tennis just before 11, if you try to say it too deliberately, it's not as funny. If you say it kind of quickly with some good timing, it'll be a little funnier. But you're all really funny, so I don't need to tell you how to tell jokes. It's something you get with practice too. All right, so that's about it for right now. We have some fun lessons coming up where we're going to be studying. Let me show you that word, affixes. And I'm going to send you a rather large packet of these to work on. And you might not get them done today, but that's okay. You could work on them tomorrow, which is Friday. You could even work on them a little next week if you don't fully get to them, because there's going to be quite a lot I'm going to put in there. But we have a little bit of an odd week next week. It's not going to be a regular week, like where I'm assigning work every single day. You'll just have to wait for my instructions on that, which are coming soon. We're having a teacher meeting today where we're going to talk a little bit more about that, and then we'll come up with final decisions about what next week looks like. But I'll get you the information when I have it and when I'm prepared to give it to you. All right, so everyone have a great rest of your day. It's amazing. It's Thursday. Today could be our best day ever. Every day could be your best day ever. That's the great part about going to sleep at night. You could wake up, and that day you could decide, you could sit up inside and say, this is going to be my best day ever. Have a great day. See you soon.